Hi, this is AG Academy again. I have come here with the second exercise of polynomials, class 10th chapter, and first exercise 2.1 has been posted few days before. Now the second exercise is based on sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros. These two formulas will help you out. By these two formulas you can do this exercise very easily. Alpha plus beta is minus b upon a, alpha into beta is c upon a. It's very easy. Now first question is, find the zeros of the polynomial and verify the relationship. Well, first you have to find out the zeros. You have to find out the values of x here. Do the middle term split. X square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. Now take out the common from it. X minus 4 plus 2 x minus 4. There are two factors you have got, x plus 2 and x minus 4. Take out the values of x is 4 and minus 2. Now how to verify it that the answer is correct or not? We will verify these by these two formulas. First of all, verification is alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. This is alpha and this is beta. So this is 4 plus minus 2. So the answer is 4 minus 2 is 2. And when you will leave minus b upon a, 1 minus is for there and 1 minus is for this. This is a, b and c. A, b, c you will get from the question itself. A, b, c. b is minus 2. So there would be 2 minus and a is 1. Minus minus would be plus 2 upon 1, that is 2. So this has been verified. So the answer is correct. The first question is this part. Now I will come to the second part of this question. The same question, second part. The same way you have to continue with. Second part is 4x square minus, it's s. Variable can be anything. 4s plus 1. Again I will do the middle term split first. 4s square minus 2s minus 2s plus 1. Take out the common. 2s minus 1 minus 1, 2s minus 1. So the factors are these two and the answer is s is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now again I have got alpha and beta. Now I will do the verify. Verify we will do in only in those questions, or also we can do the verification for checking of our satisfaction that the answer is correct or not. Verify is alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. Alpha is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Take the LCM, 1 plus 1, 2 upon 2. So the answer is 1. When you will do minus b upon a, so it would be minus 4 upon 4. So the answer is minus minus plus 1. So the answer is 1. Verified. Done. Corrected. Now I will go to the third part. The third part will also vary with the same thing. First we will do the middle term split. Then we will do the verification. Third part. First question, third part is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. I cannot do the middle term split like this because it is not in order. It is not a quadratic equation which is in order. I have to make it in order first. I have to bring 7x in front. Now I will do the middle term split. 6x square minus 9x plus 2x because I want 18. Take out the common. Now the factors I got is 2x minus 3, 3x plus 1. So the answers are x is equal to 3 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 3. I got alpha and beta. Now I will put 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3. LCM would be 6, 7 upon 6. Minus b upon a 8, minus 7 upon a is 6. So 7 upon 6. I have got the same answer. It's correct. So it's very easy it, then do the verification. That's all. Verification is always through alpha plus beta. The same way in the first question. I am doing all the parts. You can refer any question, any part you will find out, you can write down. I am doing the fourth part, first question, fourth part. In this question, I have only two terms. So what I will do, I will not do the middle term split. I will just take out the common. I will take common for u plus 2. Now the answer is u is equal to 0 and u is equal to minus 2. These two factors I have got. Now alpha and theta verification. Alpha is 0 plus minus 2. The answer is 0 minus 2 minus 2 and minus b upon a is here minus b is this. There is no c. C is 0. So minus b is minus 8 upon 4. So answer is minus 2 again. So verify. Now I will come to the fifth part of first question. Fifth part of first question is, again we have only two terms here. Fifth question, fifth part is t square minus 15. Now what I will do, I will take the use of this square. I will make it as root 5 ka whole square. Why I have done this? To take out the factors. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. Now the answer should be root 15 and minus root 15. Alpha and beta. So alpha is root 15, beta is minus root 15. So answer is 0. Now take out from this. There is no b here. A is this. C is this, there is no b here, so b is 0. 0 upon 1 is 0, so the answer is verified. Now I come to the last part of this first question. Sixth part, first question. 3x square minus x minus 4. Here I have three terms, I will do the middle term split. 3x square, 4 3 are 12, I can take minus 4x plus 3x. Take out the common. There is nothing common. Now, I have got two factors. X is equal to 4 by 3, x is equal to minus 1. Alpha plus beta, alpha plus beta. Take out the LCM. 1 upon 3 minus b upon a would be minus 1 upon a. The answer is 1 upon 3 because minus minus is plus. This is the full first question we have done.